right, and welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. You're on the line, caller. What? I'm sorry, I can't understand you. Do you understand this at all?
The computer says it's Bob Dylan.
The Bob Dylan?
That's what it says.
Is this Bob Dylan, the professional singer? Oh, well, thanks that's great. Ladies and gentlemen, Bob Dylan. Wow. Yeah, you know, Bob Dylan's from Minnesota. Mm-hmm. Oh, how you doing today?
Well, really great.
What? Oh, okay. Well, we're gonna let you go. Thanks for calling in, Bob. All right. Well, there you go, folks. Professional singer Bob Dylan, and called into the show. All right. Back to you, Nana BOOZHOO.
Oh, what?
Oh, jeez.
Bob Dylan, everybody. You never know who's going to call into the show.
Yeah, huh?
How did he get our number is my question, Heights.
I don't know.
So, yeah. Welcome back to the show. And let's just make it a quick one. Let me officially say Bob Dylan, OJIBWE. Bob Dylan sucks. Back to you. You want to send us out?
Well, everyone, just want to say thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa. Oh, what?
Oh, what?
All right.